Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word down. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She carefully climbed down the steep mountain trail. Down in this context means descending or moving towards a lower position, such as going down a slope or descending from a higher elevation to a lower one. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.